All right, I got you.
Okay,
so,
all right.
No, we got involved. I've known some of the coaches and some of the guys from the rec center for a while, and it seemed like a great opportunity. We typically try to focus our charitable efforts on stuff involving kids. I'm a very big believer in mentoring young adults into becoming productive adults in society, whether through sports or not. So this is a great avenue for us to do it.
Now, you said we. You have to tell us who we are.
I try to be humble, but you'll make me say it. I own a firm called Orlando Legal. We do have about 25 lawyers that do every type of law that's out there. So if you have a family matter, a personal injury matter, a real estate issue, anything that you can think of, just give us a call. It's 407-377-6399, and the website's real easy to remember. It's just orlandolegal.com. You'll find me and my team on that site anytime you need us.
Okay, well, tell us more about, you say that you're involved with the youth. There's some other organizations that you're involved with that, that deals with youth and,
Yes, sir. So we do raise a lot of money for legal aid, and legal aid provides legal services for families, a lot of dependency cases where kids are being placed for adoption or being placed into different homes. We raise money for them throughout the year so that the attorneys are able to represent the kids. It's a term called guardian ad litem, so we're a big sponsor of the guardian ad litem program. We also sponsor the Orlando Magic Youth Foundation. They do a lot with the kids as well. Nick Anderson and I have done some kids camps, and basically those are the major entities that we do, but also as a firm we do our own events where we'll do a toy drive for Christmas, did a turkey drive for Thanksgiving. We'll give away some Magic tickets so that people can go out and have a good night. So pretty much anytime there's an opportunity, I'm happy to participate.
Okay, now this is a 2-weekend event here this weekend. They're going to be here next weekend. But early in the day, you showed me some Magic tickets. Was that some Magic tickets that you said you had to give away?
Yes, sir. So tonight we do have a very special pair. We've got a courtside pair of tickets for the Clippers game on the 13th, which is next Wednesday.
Okay.
The way we're going to give those out tonight is about 20 minutes or so before the last game. We're going to do a dunk contest.
Okay.
A little bit of audience participation, a little bit of my judgment. But next week, for those of you watching at home thinking about whether or not you want to come support the kids, I'm going to bring enough tickets so that the winning team can all go to a game together. So
wow.
Even if it's 15, 20 tickets, so make sure you guys come back next week because we're going to have even more and better prizes than we had to give away today. So I hope at least we get more people out next week to take advantage of coming out and having fun and going to a game and getting that team bonding experience.
Okay, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I take this clip, show it on my Facebook page as well. But also, I saw some red sneakers on something. What was the red sneakers? What was that?
Well, as a little bit of a sneakerhead, so you caught me. This morning, the Air Jordan 11 Retros Win Like 96 dropped at 10 o'clock this morning.
Okay.
And as I was setting up our tent outside, I stopped at 10 a.m. because my phone, the alarm went off, and somehow or another, I don't know how it happened, but I put my credit card information in just in time and snagged a fresh pair that'll be here on December 14th, and I can't even tell you how happy I am. So as a sneakerhead, that's like finding a unicorn.
Okay, I got you. Now, have you ever heard of Great Oaks Village?
Say that one more time.
Have you ever heard of Great Oaks Village?
Yes, I've heard of Great Oaks Village. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, because I've done a lot of work with them. When you say that you work with the different foundations and kids and homeless, I know that they do a lot of great work. As a matter of fact, they were at my youth summit last week. So you get a chance, anybody out there, get an opportunity to volunteer over there and go over and speak to the kids, because we go over there from time to time and try to speak to the kids as well.
Absolutely, and I'm very familiar with Great Oaks Village. It's a very good cause, and for those of you out there that are looking for something to get involved in, it's a great place to start. So I think that's a great organization.
Well, I don't have to tell you, it is such... I don't even know how to put it into words, but when you meet people like you who really understand how important it is to get involved with our youth, especially nowadays since the village seemed to have gone somewhere. I don't know where the village have gone, but it's not like it used to be, and we can have that conversation all day long. But what's more important is that it's people like you that makes a difference, who really understand that you are making a difference in the lives of so many.
Well, and that's the most important thing. I've been in Orlando for a long time. I love the city. It's my home. It's my community. And whether that community is on a different part of town or this part of town or that park or this park, it doesn't matter. We're all in this together. And the better we can do for the kids, the better the next generation is going to be in being nice, responsible young men and women who can go on to college, whether it's through athletics or not. So the goal for us is to introduce kids to success beyond athletics and what that looks like. And to that extent also, we do an internship program at my firm for kids who want to get experience in maybe shadowing me into a courtroom, watching a trial, really getting to see how, you know, some of the business world aspects work at a young age, so that when they go into the real world, they're not going in blindly. They're going in with some mentorship and some leadership, and that village has kind of gone away. And I think part of responsibility of social responsibility is making sure that we give people that opportunity, even if that village may have disappeared for them someplace else. We can give it to them either through the rec center or through different programs that we may put on. So there's always an opportunity to help, and it just takes somebody, and I'm looking at everybody in the camera, you just have to get out of bed and do it. There's always somebody out there that needs you more than you think. And no matter whatever you're going through, there's somebody else out there that's going through something worse. And so if you ever feel down, I've found that the number one thing that makes me happy is making other people happy.
There you go. Now, just so in case people missed it, you need to give your name and your firm again, and how can people contact you?
My name, Jonathan Simon. The firm name is Orlando Legal. You can contact us at orlandolegal.com, available 24/7. You can email me personally at jonathan@orlandolegal.com. I'm a very, very low maintenance guy. I don't stand on ceremony, and I'm very, very happy to help. So for those of you out there that may need our services, just please let us know, and we'll do whatever we can for you.
All right. Thank you so much, and thank you for blessing so many. Thank you for your blessing, and do have yourself a happy holiday and Merry Christmas.
You too, sir. Happy holidays. Thank you.